In Jira, we have a functionality within workflows called post functions. And post functions are basically automated actions that are triggered after an issue transitions to a new status. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is the following. We have this little workflow for our web development project. And what we want to do is when an issue transitions from ready for testing to in testing, we want to assign automatically a QA tester, okay? And we have that field right here under Reporter. Now to do that, we're going to do the following. We're going to exit out of this issue, and we're going to scroll to Project Settings, click on Workflow, and make sure you're editing the correct workflow. And so what we're going to do here is, in this transition from ready for testing to end testing, we're going to click on Post Functions. And now by default, Jira automatically has 5 post functions, right? Which is set issue status to the link status, fire a generic event, add a comment, etc. Now you can delete these if you want to, but to create a new post function, you're going to click on Add Post Function. And there are a couple of options, right? Now the one that we're going to use for this one is Update Issue Custom Field. We're going to click on that one. And the field that we want to select is QA Tester. And let's just say I want to assign this to myself. If I click on Add, now I have a new post function. So as soon as I transition from ready for testing to end testing, the field QA Tester is going to be assigned to Alex Garcia. So let's publish this and give it a try. Now we're going to go back to our project. And let's just say, let's take this one. All right, you know what? Okay, so I have my field QA tester. Let's transition this. Now, remember, we're only doing this for this transition in between ready for testing to end testing. So if I transition, I should be able to see this assigned to myself. So now QA Tester is assigned to Alex Garcia. And that's basically how post functions work within Jira Workflow.